Hey everyone, today is the day that we show you the second part of actually using modules on this system. If you recall in the last video, we showed you how to embed the video that you see in the banner here now using a module called Live Wrapper. We found another module by Mandeep called Live Content that is now available on the system as well that I believe you will find just as useful. And we're going to show you how to create multiple um, multiple media representations within your page and create an actual page and stuff. If you notice up at the top here now, we've got a tab up here called Music. If we click on it, you see that I put a couple of Green Day things in here. Okay, we've got a nice table with headers. If you click on the actual album cover itself, it comes up with the Wikipedia of that album and stuff. So we've got 21 Guns in here, and we've also got Boulevard of Broken Dreams. So, which I happen to like both songs quite a bit. Additionally, inside of here, if you click on play under MP3, you've also got the song itself. And over here, if you click on a video, it's going to play the video. So, here it goes. So as you can see, it's all functional, and what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to create this type of page. So let's log into the system. Okay, so the first thing I did was I created a page. So you go up here, you click on Add. So I added a page, and we're going to call this page Music 2. Okay, and I went through and I set permissions so that everybody could see it, and then I clicked on Add Page, and that will actually add a page up at the top. So you'll see that Music 2 is indeed there now. Okay, now I obviously don't want Music 2, so what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to go and erase that page. So that's gone now. So we'll go back to our music page. Now, after I did that, what I did was I actually went in and I dropped a live content module onto the page. So I simply went into the modules and went down and chose, I dropped a live wrapper module onto the page. And I simply chose live wrapper and dropped it on there. And much the same as in the last video, when you go into things and manage everything, there's your live wrapper. Now what you'll notice is that in the actual HTML editor, the WYSIWYG editor of the wrapper tab, I have defined a table in here with a nice header, all laid out, nice colors and everything, and inside of that I have put these tags. Okay, so the tags were much the same. In the last video I showed you what the video tags were. They're exactly the same as they were before. The audio tags actually work the same. I'll show you how that actually looks. You go in there, you put in a URL, or you can have an MP3 file on your actual system and stuff, your site, and you give it the name, the width, the height, and the tag name. Now the module is a different story altogether. The module tab, when you click on the module tab, if you go to add a module, first thing you're going to notice is that it's going to, number one, ask you for portals. Well, the only portal you can choose is your own. So you're not going to be able to choose anything inside of there. Now, pages, you can choose from any page on your system. You can go through and you can say, okay, I want a module off of one of these pages. So if I actually went to, let's say, the home page, there's the sidebar HTML and contact and all the various modules that we put on that page. So if I chose that, it would show up inside of here. So what we did was we actually utilized the module called the live content module. And how I did that was that I wanted to use the live content module so that I could show the Wikipedia Wikipedia site in a nice pop-up window like this. So what I had to do was I had to create a page that is not displayed on the screen, on the system. So the users cannot see that page, but it does exist there. So just to show you how that actually works, if you go and you choose to add a page, what you will notice is under page details, right down at the bottom, there's this option here. Okay, if it's turned on, then it'll show up in the menu. If it's turned off, it won't. So we simply added a page with this turned off so that users can't see it. Now, let's go to our pages module underneath the admin options, and I'll show you the page. So, off of music, I created a page called Green Day Wikipedia Content. So, inside of that, it's got all the access, all the permissions, everybody can see it. So let's go and view that page. So there's the page, and what you're going to notice is that there's a couple of modules on here. These modules are the live content modules. So what I had to do inside of the live content module was that I turned around and I added a live content module to the screen. I then added an element to the live content module, an iframe element. I gave it a URL. Didn't matter. I chose the Wikipedia one for the for one of the Green Day songs. I gave it a internet URL. Okay, I'm going to put it back to default image so I can show you the next step. And then what I did was I turned around and I changed the appearance. I changed it so that it was 1024 by 768. So let's cancel out of here for a second. So what I'll show you is that if we go and we edit 21 Guns here, what you'll notice is that the appearance 1024 by 768. If I go to change frame, there's the URL to the Wikipedia article, and it didn't save the internet URL, but the internet URL is in there to the picture. So if I click on this right now, what you can see is if I click on that and go to copy image location, and then I go back into here and I say change frame, go to the next one, say internet URL. Here's the URL to the actual JPEG itself. Okay, so that's how I added these modules in here. So now I've got two modules in here that both have the Wikipedia pages for 21 Guns and Boulevard of Broken Dreams. So there's Boulevard of Broken Dreams. So now that I've got that, I went back to my music tab and I went into the actual live wrapper module here, and I went to module and I put in 21 Guns. So what I did was I actually went into here, I chose from underneath music Green Day Wikipedia content, and then I chose, oh, it's not showing up now because we've got them already added. So I'll show you exactly how I added one. So let's put in 21 Guns, okay? So we're going to erase 21 Guns, and then I add it in, and I say Wikipedia, which is there, and then I choose from the drop-down list 21 Guns, and then I put in 21G, like so. And these are different settings. You can research those afterwards. You definitely want to enforce the module permissions. Then I added it. So now 21G was in there. Oh, sorry. Let's go back into this for a second and edit it because I actually did something wrong. You don't want to put the square brackets around there. You just want to call it what it is. And looks like I messed something up. Hold on a second. Let's go back into the module, 21 Guns. Let's edit it. Let's change this to 21G. Let's click on update. It doesn't seem to like it for some reason. I think we found a bug here, folks. So let's just erase that and do it properly again. So let's add it in. Let's go to Wikipedia, 21 guns, and let's just call it 21G, which is what it should be. Alright, so now we've got it back to where it was. The wrapper says 21G, everything's good. We click on update, click on return, and we have it back. So that's how you create a nice little media page of songs or videos or whatever you would like. As you can see, you can wrap almost anything inside here. So using a combination of the live content module and the live wrapper module, you can create some very, very, very rich content within your system. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and there is more to come. Thank you.